Hey guys, welcome back. It's Alon here, and this is AcornProductions. This is a weekly recap. We are in May already. I do want to apologize to you guys. We've missed the last 2 or 3 weeks. Things have come up, and I will be going overseas for about a month now. So we probably won't be able to do the videos weekly. It might just need to be a post or a summary that I'll try to do while I'm away. But I will bring the stuff, so if there is a way for me to record videos once a week while I'm there, it will be something I'll attempt to do, but I'm not sure how it's going to work, so we'll see how it goes. Now, there has been a few interesting turn of events since we last spoke, since we last did a recap for our channel. Let's just quickly look at how we're performing. So last month we finished off -6%. Now, all things considered, this is honestly what I expected. We rebalanced the portfolio. We added some cryptos for the bull market that I believe is coming. The Bitcoin halving happened. A lot actually happened this month, and there was a change that I've made. So we did a little bit of a rebalance I want to touch on quickly. We've actually completely removed something from our portfolio. That something is called Tesla. So Tesla was a really big part of my chest, and I've just decided to cut it for now. It is something that I believe long term. It is something that we might add later on, but we've been doing this for a while now, and for about the past year, Tesla's just honestly been a bit of a dead weight on the portfolio. It's been almost 20% allocation. I really believed in it. I still believe in it, to be honest with you guys, but I just think at the moment it's trending down. There's a lot of things that aren't really going Tesla's way, and I don't want it to be a dead weight on the portfolio. So I just want to kick it out for now. It's something I'd be happy to add in later, but at the moment it's trending downwards. There's a lot of bad connotation with it, and I'm expecting a lot of good things for everything else in the portfolio. Everything else has been performing, doing what it's essentially been doing what I've wanted it to do, why I've added it in there. And for such a big portion, I just want to kick it out for now. I've got a lot of my friends and family's money here, so mine as well. So I don't want a fifth of the portfolio getting dragged down. So our allocation is a little bit different now, but essentially all we've really done is kick Tesla out of the portfolio. Nothing really has changed besides for that. We have taken a little bit out of silver and gold as well, but essentially we have a little bit more weighting now in all of the other stuff that I think will succeed a little bit more this year. We'll go into a little bit more detail later on, but if you guys are wondering, or if you are following me for a while now and you're thinking, is it a good time to join? Is it a good time to add on if you're already copying? I want to say that in my opinion, this is a very good time for my portfolio. I can speak for myself that I still believe we're going to do better than we did last year. I mean, at the moment, I think we're doing better than we were doing last year. We have, you see a lot of green here, but you can see that the red really hurts the portfolio. We're up like 25%. But yeah, the downs really hurt. And last year we had a really good run at the end, and this year it hasn't happened yet, but I do believe that we're going to see at least a slight increase in crypto, even if it's only anywhere from 30 to 40% to 200, 300, 400, 500% on some of the stuff we're holding. That might never happen. It might go sideways, but I'm really expecting something to happen in the next year and a half, like it has historically. So I do think if you have a little bit of a higher risk tolerance, if you don't mind putting a few thousand away, or whatever is meaningful to you, a few hundred, into something that's between medium to high risk, which is what I believe my portfolio sits at, or according to etoro 5, which is honestly, I'm pretty sure similar to what I believe it is, medium to high risk. We've got a growth portfolio here, and I think it's actually great to put in money at times like this, after the portfolio goes down, not right after, let's say, a February when it's bounced up 20%. because typically you'll have a drawback. So you'll see that with my chart here. So this is ever since we started at the beginning of 2023, every up comes with a little rebalance, a little correction. So you see now we've come back down, and I believe we're going to do the next run up here. Yeah, I don't have a crystal ball, I don't control the markets, but I do hold on to stuff that I believe in and let go of stuff that I don't believe. And I do think it's a good time to add on, and that's why I'm telling my friends and family. But at the end of the day, guys, if you don't believe in what we do here, and if you're just gonna sell if things go down 5%, this is definitely not the one for you. If you can hold for 6 months, if you can stomach up to a 20% loss, I think you're in the right place and will do good over a 6-month period. Now that being said, guys, things are going to stay pretty stable over the next month or two. I'm going to be giving you guys a few updates about what's going on with crypto, with our holdings and all of those things. But at the moment, we're just going to fine tune our portfolio. We're going to keep riding out this year. That's going to be a very good year. And we're going to see what happens. As time goes on, we've changed our portfolio from ETFs. It's a constantly evolving thing, and as the channel gets bigger, as more money is involved, my own money, copier's money, my family's money, this portfolio will evolve, but it will always stay true to its goal. It's going to be a growth portfolio. We're going to aim to between 20 and 40% a year. We're going to rebalance. We're going to have different parts of the portfolio with different strategies. We're going to do, weekly recaps, all of those stuff. So if those are stuff you like, if you want to grow, be a part of the community, just invest and make some money on the side. Maybe give me your opinions and we can exchange. Whatever you're into, whatever draws you here, you're very, very welcome. I appreciate all of my copiers and followers, and if you happen to be listening to this right now, I appreciate it. I know not too many people listen to me, but this is something that I do have a passion for, investing. I don't know if I want a career out of it, I'm still thinking if I want to do something like this in my professional life, with my degree and everything, but it's definitely something that I want to develop over the years, to be really, really good at managing investments, even if it's just for me, as I continue to become wealthier and wealthier in life. Managing your own investments is something, you need to know a little bit about. Doesn't matter who you are, even if you're paying someone to manage your investments, you need to know a bit. Otherwise, how are you going to know if they're good or not? So that's part of this channel, guys. We're all going to grow together. AcornProductions. We're going to plant a seed for our future, in this case financially. Now it's a pleasure as always, guys, to have you all here. I'm going to touch base with you guys, possibly not over video over the next month, but I'm still here, I'm still alive, things are still going very well, don't stress, and I'll see you guys all very soon. Have a wonderful day. See you later.